Hello, how are you? I am back again and today I'm going to do a little Skinnydip unboxing. So I have been using this phone, the iPhone 12 Max or whatever the hell it's called, for like 3 years. I've been out of contract for I think a year and it's cracked, it's broken, the screen is broken, there's chips in it, and now my pop socket is broken, and the pop socket was the straw that broke the camel's back. Because at that point I was like, enough is enough. I need a new iPhone, I need a new case, and I need a new pop socket. So I bought myself a new iPhone. I'm very excited, the iPhone 15 Max Plus, which is ridiculous because the 16 is coming out soon. And I was like, I can't wait a month. I'm gonna go for the iPhone 15. Anyway, I haven't got my new iPhone out yet because I don't want to get it out before it's got a case on. So I thought I'd unbox the cases and then unbox the iPhone and then live my best life with my brand new iPhone. So today I'm going to do an unboxing of my Skinnydip order, which includes the mystery 3 for £30 iPhone cases. I want to see what I get, you know, when you're like, and I thought we'd unbox it together. So let's get into it. So here is the package. This is how Skinnydip orders come. And it was free shipping over £30, which actually I thought was pretty good. But then, right, so what I did was I pressed order and I was like, I'm so excited. My iPhone's coming tomorrow and I'm sure my phone case will come soon. And then I looked and it said standard shipping 5 days. And I was like, damn, that's a problem. Anyway, I was really surprised. I ordered the phone cases, I think Thursday night. Friday, I got a dispatch notification and they came Saturday. So actually 5 days, not the case. It was actually much quicker. Okay, so this is the first thing I ordered. It's a little bit boring, but I'll whiz through it very quickly. So this is a glass screen protector. I hadn't actually used one of these until recently, but honestly, they do really help. So if you are a dropper like me, do get yourself a screen protector. Oh, and also I think this was half price. It was meant to be 15, but I think it was £7.50, so I was really pleased with that. Okay, and then the next thing I got was also on sale. This was actually like really cheap. I will put the price somewhere because I can't remember how much it was, but it was massively reduced. I think it was like £24 and I think it was it was like 70% off. It was really cheap and I thought it was pretty cute. It is an Aristocats phone case and I just thought it was adorable. Mary really likes the Aristocats and I just figured why not. Although I'm kind of wondering, are these candy canes? Is this a Christmas phone case? Is that why it was so cheap? I'm starting to think that might be the reason. This might be a Christmas themed Aristocats iPhone case, but you know what? I'm still into it. I still like it. So here is the case again. It was an absolute bargain and I just thought it's cute. Let's go for it. And not only that, but I got the Aristocats phone grip, which I figured why not. And it does actually extend as well. I was worried it might just be one of those pokey out ones, but it's not. It's like a phone grip that kind of pops in and out. So I thought I'd give this one a go. I do normally use a pop socket, whereas this is by Skinnydip London, who I do not know, but I'll give it a go. I'll put it on the phone case and yeah, it'll look cute because it matches. Okay, and then the final thing that I ordered, which is kind of the reason I'm here, is I bought the Skinnydip Mystery Bundle iPhone case. So this is 3 iPhone cases for £30. You obviously let them know which iPhone you have. So you don't just get like random iPhone cases for different iPhones. You get them for the right iPhone. But I have no idea what the cases look like. They might be a load of crap. They might be great. I don't know, but I spent £30. I got 3 and I thought I would unbox them with you. I'm a little bit nervous. What if I hate them? It's always embarrassing if you like hate what you've ordered and you're like filming yourself and you're like, oh man, everybody can see my disappointed face. Okay, let's just open up and see what I got. So first of all, I love the packaging. It's in a holographic envelope. It's completely sealed, so I have no idea what's inside. And it would actually make a really nice gift, actually. Okay, and I need to stop procrastinating. Let's just get it open. So they come mounted on a card, which I will show you in a moment. But yeah, here's the first one. So it's very cute. It's got turtles on, and I don't know if you can see. I think you can. But it's not just got turtles on, but it's also got this kind of like hologram finish to it. So I think that's really sweet. It's not necessarily one I would have ordered like myself, but I do think it's really sweet. It's really cute. It's fun. I'm into that. It's fun. It's cute. And then here is the next one. I really like this too. This one is butterfly print. Again, it's got the same holographic print. I think it's really cute. I think it'll look adorable with like a blue pop socket on. It's giving Mariah Carey vibes and I'm here for it. And then I have saved best till last because I personally like this one the best, although I do really love the butterflies. But I think this one's really, really cute. This is cats. So again, it's got the holographic finish to it, which I really like. I think that's a really fun feature. And it's got cats on, like just cut and paste cat photos. One's got a tiara, it's giving Chapel Roan vibes. We've got more blue butterflies. I'm into that. By the way, I was gardening earlier, so that's why my hands are filthy. But yeah, it's cute. It's giving kawaii vibes. It's fun. It's cute. I like it. Dressed up cats with bows on and some butterflies thrown in and a hologram finish. What's not to love? So I should quickly show you how they're mounted and presented. So they basically came mounted on this card. So you see all three of them together. And it actually comes out looking like a really good gift. Like it doesn't look bargain basement because I'm guessing that these iPhones are kind of like leftover stock that they've just bundled together, and it doesn't look or feel like the leftover junk. Like it feels good. Yeah, I really like them. I'm really pleased with them. I think my favorite two are the butterflies because I do think that's really fun and cute, and I really like the cats, and I like the turtle too. I think the turtles are fun and cute, so I might be one of those people who like mix and matches my iPhone cases to my outfits once in a blue moon. So there we go. They are my 4 iPhone cases. So if you're thinking about buying an iPhone mystery bundle from Skinnydip, I would personally recommend. It was fun. I'm happy with what I got. There's not a dud in there. And yeah, it's pretty cool. It's fun times. Anyway, that's my video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.